going on, y'all? Today we're doing a little YouTube fishing challenge.
You know?
Right out with the good old bolt behind my boy right here.
Right there. So we're gonna be taking.
We're gonna be going out, see who can catch the most fish between me and Camden. All right. Smash the like button. Let me know if you guys like these styles of videos. We'll be doing more of them if you do. We'll see you out there.
Feeling it.
Feeling it, Mr. Krabs. So let's get the smoking and token. You know, he's got his line in the water. Just sitting there. If he gets a bite, he gets a bite. At this point,
I'll
it's
be
a tie.
amazed.
At this point, we got people out here.
Who knows if they're catching fish either, you know?
I mean, if at this point I'm just gonna name it as just fucking a smoke time on the lake, because that's all it's been. Catch nothing but a high, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video that's posted before this one, which is the challenge with him. Should be up by tomorrow. Gotta probably just grind all night and work on that.
Still nothing on it.
Really just only had a couple topwater blow-ups. That's it. I don't know what it is. If it's just because it's starting to get closer towards winter time, what? But there ain't shit out here. Yo, what's going on, guys? We are at a different lake. Last lake was a bust. It's a couple days later, and let's see what we can do. See if we can catch some fish. And hell yeah!
Hell yeah, brother.
Still got Camden with me, and I've caught 3 before this. Before I started recording, they're biting on topwater like crazy. So let's just get right into this. Get a couple more. Oh, yep. Oh, I need a techno track. Let's go, Chad. Get on the board. Oh, yeah, he loved that. There is Donnie's. If I could, I promise you I would. Oh, shit. Another one, Chad. Look at that. Cannons again.
Why are they just such a little thing?
There he is. Should I see later to him? Yep. Oh, you see that? I'm telling you, that's money. I should have been.
How is it biting that odd? Where did I hook it? In the eye.
Oh my
Hook
god.
it in the eye socket.
He's good though. Chad, look at that little dink. See you later.
That's another one for Canada.
Oh, Don just caught one. Was he fucking didn't have the camera on? Alright guys, this might be the last fish of the video. My phone's about to die, but this was my last one. Yo, we're switching phones up. Just kidding. The video's not ending.
Video's not ending yet.
We got Cannon's phone for the save. Cheers up everyone in the chat. First Benjamin of the video.
Give me the smoke. We just had to have fun. All right. I'm gonna catch a fish here for you guys, chat. I'm gonna call it.
and I know exactly where to cast on a peep and cast it.
You guys have seen this video. Seen this car. It's gonna be before this video. Blue Dream. Shit's smacking. There fish. Watch him do a little trick for us. No trick. What did I just touch? Oh, it was that. I thought it was touching.
Oh, I thought it was a gator.
What in the gator mean? There we have. Say hi to the vid.
Hey, you know what it is. I need my people to get, bro, Donnie to 1K followers. Y'all tweaking. Nah, I'm just kidding. All love to everybody. But like, come on, hurry the fuck up.
W blow. Oh shit, we caught plenty of fish for this video. I'm gonna end it off here, take a blink, and send you guys on your way. Cheers up, everyone. Have a good day.
Have a good day, everyone.